Hello everybody and welcome back to Dim Barnyard Builds. Just starting back where we left off in the last one. Getting ready to start doing some blending on the paint. Here you're going to see me spraying over the darker areas, just trying to get some coats of paint on, that way it blends a little bit easier. It's not going to be perfect, but we don't want it to be because we're going to be sanding this off anyways. So as we're doing this, you're just going to see me spray in sometimes random patterns, and sometimes I'll spray like you normally would. But as you're seeing that, just know that's not how you always do it, but whenever you're doing patina, sometimes you have to have it more wet in some areas so you can kind of have the paint soft and make different types of effects and everything like that. you're trying to like smooth out just like a little bit, or you're trying to smooth?
You don't want to smooth much of it out, because you want a little texture. You want it to kind of look like the early stage of rust. Yeah, because of how like the others have done in places we've seen like that. And like what little bit of paint's hanging on there is hanging on by the death dry.
Yeah.
And the cool part, since we've already got natural patina there with the yellow, or with the orange and the blue that was on it, or the turquoise, that works out perfect. Alright, like right here, where it's got that run, so that it's not so obvious that's what that is. I'll kind of concentrate on that area and then lightly hit over it, so that it don't look like a run. Now it just looks like a webbed through the bed.
Right. Okay. Alright, so about to prep the truck for clear coat. So first we're gonna cover up the wheels and then we're going to wipe it down. Pretty sure a spider egg hatched. Yeah, that's great. There's the remainder of the web. They have been everywhere. You can see them floating around in there. Airbrushing to do, but I'm going to walk around and just kind of show you what the truck looks like as of right now. Alright guys, that's about it for this week's episode. Just going around the truck, man, this thing looks amazing. I'm so ready to get into clear coat, but there's one other step ahead of that, which is airbrushing. Freddie offered to do so, and whenever you get that opportunity, you take it, because you want to learn as much as you can from people that have been in the industry for so long and who kind of have that legend attached to their name. So we're going to learn from him and watch what he does. It was just supposed to start with a tailgate, but I guess he's going to go all the way around the truck. Anyways, here at the end, you're going to see some of his light airbrush work just kind of working in as a preview to next week. He's just going to be filming some gouges and stuff. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and marring our builds. Again, I'm Evan. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and share it to all your friends and people that aren't your friends. So I appreciate you guys and have a good one.